Our goal is to hit 4 national parks in one day. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but we're gonna try it. Let's see what happens. We are in the middle of, I have no idea where, Arizona, I think? Pretty sure we're in Arizona. Stopping to get some gas and some chocolate milk, and then we are on our way to Bryce Canyon National Park, where we are spending the night. And by night, I mean like 3 or 4 hours of sleep, and then getting up for sunrise, and then heading to Zion, and then heading to Grand Canyon for a little bit, and then surprising my parents who are at the Grand Canyon right now as we speak. So that's gonna be awesome. As you know, I love surprises. Like you saw in my last video when we surprised my dad for his birthday. And then after surprising my parents, we are then, truck's really loud. Any day now. Then after surprising my parents, we are then heading to Joshua Tree National Park. It's a crazy trip. All right, let's do this thing. At Zion National Park. We are going to go do an overlook hike, and then we're just going to explore. We're going to be here till about 4:30, and then we're going to head down to the Grand Canyon. Our goal is to hit 4 national parks in one day. I don't know if it's going to happen, but we're going to try it. Let's see what happens. We just made it out to this dope little lookout point. It's so sick. I remember being here about 6 years ago when I was on Silver Ring thing. We hiked out past this little spot. Check it out. The lookout point was sick. Now we are adventuring off trail and heading to a slot canyon. We're gonna have some hot dogs and mac and cheese. To Joshua Tree National Park last night at about 3 a.m. Wind is blowing about 20-30 miles an hour, if you can't tell. And this happened to Blake and Jacob and Mathers last night. Jacob didn't even wake up throughout this entire fiasco. Climbing out in Joshua Tree. Mathers has a one wheel, and so I figured I'd be like a real vlogger and I'd ride her one wheel.